The library has a large selection of eBooks. eBooks can be very convenient. You can check out an ebook just like a book from the physical collection. When checking out an ebook, the first thing you want to do is make sure that you are logged into the Social Law website. Then, under the Research tab, click eBooks. From here, you can scroll down to LexisNexis and select Login directly to Overdrive here. Once you get to the Overdrive homepage, you will be able to see the books that you have recently read. You can click Browse Library to search for books by title, author, or subject. You can also scroll to the bottom to see the titles within a specific subject. Once you have found the title that you are looking for, you can click into the book. You can look and see the different volumes in the set, and then once you've decided which one you want, you can borrow it. You will notice that the books loan for 7 days, just like the books in the physical collection. Unlike the books in our physical collection, you can only check out 10 ebooks at a time. Once the book opens, you will be able to see that it is set up just like a physical book, and you can flip through the pages. You can also navigate through the book from the navigation bar at the bottom, which allows you to see the full table of contents. If there is a particular section that interests you, you can highlight and annotate within the ebooks, which you certainly can't do in physical books. Another perk of looking through an ebook is that you can save pages from the ebook. When you find the section that you want to print, you can just click on the printer icon, and just like saving any other document, you can select that you'd like to save the pages as a PDF. When you are all done with the book, you can return it. One thing to note is that after 7 days, the ebook will automatically be returned unless you renew it. If there is an ebook that you are interested in borrowing but is currently unavailable, you can put a hold on the book and you will get an email when the book becomes available. Overdrive will save your annotations even after you have returned the book. As always, if you have any other questions, feel free to contact Reference or the Circulation Desk.